guys, I've been wanting to show y'all this truck. But yo guys, what is up? Country Boy Fresh Vlogs. Back here again for another truck video. And this is the baby right here. Hold on. This is her. This shows just how big it is. Here I am, standing right next to it. I mean, standing right in front of it, right here. That's a big old truck. This is 22 inches of lift and 46-inch tires. She's a big baby. And let me show you what we keep in the back of her. Yeah, this is hard for a short person. Yeah, we keep the ladder. Oh. But yeah, this is the view you see from this. This is her. That's the view from the ground. But yeah, yep, there's the view. And there's the ground. Yep, this is her. Oh God, that's a big old baby right there. Look, I can dodge them tow mirrors. Seriously, I can dodge them tow mirrors. Oh yeah, and she ain't 4-wheel drive. It says 4-wheel drive over there, but you can't do 4-wheel drive because it's too big, and we need another drive shaft. I'll show the exhaust real quick. She's got an accident, but we're gonna go lock the gate. That's the only thing that's wrong with the baby right now is the freaking transmission. That's the only thing wrong with it. Now we'll shut the gate. And now to go to work on Daddy's motorcycle. Oh yeah, I'll give her a little. Now, time to work on the black. But there you go, guys. Y'all seen the black truck. Y'all heard the white one. No, I guess now it's time to work on the motorcycle. Color pack on the ground. So what you gotta do to her?
Off.
Oh, you gotta pry that off? But anyway, guys, I do hope y'all enjoyed the truck reviews and everything. But I liked it. I always like showing the black truck, the old black top beauty. And yeah, I guess I will, I guess I will see y'all guys in the next one. I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye guys.